client was planning to launch a clinical trial in Duchenne muscular dystrophy. DMD presents in boys around the age of 4 and worsens quickly. Most boys with DMD are unable to walk by age 12, and average life expectancy is 26 years. This form of muscular dystrophy affects about 1 in 5,000 boys at birth. The trial brand needed to support recruitment and retention of patients through their caregivers. In this progressive, no-cure, low-hope disease state, any successful treatment is simply measured by the extent to which it prolongs muscular function and patient mobility. Using a sequential and incremental approach, we began by interviewing the client team and reviewing all prior research on the condition. We then conducted some in-depth interviews with the target audiences for the trial, physicians and caregivers for DMD patients. We learned 3 things. 1. Caregivers are very protective of their wards and have misperceptions about clinical trials and how function may not improve with treatment. 2. Naming and branding must balance optimism with realism. You absolutely cannot overpromise. And 3. The trial name must work for patients as well as caregivers and physicians. Next, we conducted a workshop with the client team to review findings and agree on a positioning statement for the trial. We further identified perceptual brand pillars, that is, perceptions we wanted the trial to convey to the target audiences. A naming brief was then developed to guide exploration of trial name options. The name we created for the DMD trials was Brave. The name acknowledges the positive attitude and perseverance the boys with DMD exhibit. It's an optimistic word that remains grounded and is not overly hopeful. After all, bravery is only displayed in the face of risk and danger. The name also fits with the feedback physicians and caregivers provide to the boys. After conducting online research with the target audiences to discover how they visually interpret the desired brand pillars, we designed alternative logo options and then settled on the final option. Here is the PowerPoint template and the trial stationery we developed for the client's team. Next, we created a brochure, flyer and poster for the Brave trial. We also created a trial website and performed SEO on the site. Finally, we developed usage guidelines for the trial brand to ensure optimal focus on the brand over time. To date, the trial has begun recruiting and the client team is very happy with the Brave trial branding.